All right, I just wanted to show you if you need to find recordings of class, which I will try to do, but I won't always guarantee that I do, but I'll try. So if, for example, you're in this class, I will click on that link, and I open up my class, and I go into course content, and you go in like you're just going to go in and watch class, okay? So you're going to click on this like you're going to join Blackboard Collaborate. But instead of joining, like clicking on this link, you click on this menu up here. And if you click on this menu, you'll see recordings. And it usually takes about 30 to 40 minutes after class. And so what you can do is, see if I can slide this over, is you'll see the list of recordings. And sometimes I turn it on and off. Instead of having an hour and a half session, I might do a little bit less. And so what you can do is you can play them here. So you can watch now. You can do that. It might take a while to load. So I can click and go from there. Okay. So, a couple things. Math for liberal arts. Okay, so there's that. The other thing you can do is if you come over here, you could like download it so you could watch it big on your computer. You could copy the link and, I don't know, email it to yourself to do later, something like that. So there's some options there. So today I did not tape my, well, I taped a little bit of my 8 a.m. class, it looks like, but I did tape most of my second class. So if you missed class, this is where you would go if you want to see the recording. And again, remember, as far as points go, I do polling points. So if you miss class, you're not going to make up those polling points, but you could at least figure out the content that we did in class that day. All right, I hope that helps. If you have any questions, I'm going to exit out of there and we should be good to go.